Thank you for joining me today in this video. We're going to talk about how to demonstrate a failover between services in the same cluster using Gloo Edge. The cluster I'm using is a local cluster that's installed using kind, and it has a fresh install of Gloo Edge. What we are going to do first is to install two demo services, a blue service and a green service. The goal of this tutorial is to set up a failover between the blue service and the green service. So in the case the blue service is down, the traffic is going to be routed to the green service. So first, let's create our applications here by just using the YAML file. This is provided in the blog post. Now that the services are created, Gloo will detect them and create the upstream for them automatically. The next step we're going to do here is to route traffic to the blue service. For that, we're going to use GlooSteel and create a virtual service for it. The gateway now is configured to route all the traffic to the blue service. We can test that by doing a port forward to expose our gateway. Then doing a cur command on the gateway port. We see here that the call returned blue pod, which is a response from the blue service. Now let's set up a failover. For the failover to work, we need to configure the health check on the blue service. For that, I'm going to use this command to patch the upstream created by Gloo Edge and add the health check configuration to the blue service upstream. Now the health check is configured. Let's fail the service. Or before this step, let's configure the failover configuration on the upstream again. So the first step, we create the health check. Now let's add the failover configuration. What we see here that we are going to failover to service green and the namespace default on the port 10,000. So now we have the upstream of the blue service containing a health check configuration and the failover configuration. So now if we fail the health check of the blue service, meaning the blue service is not available, now now that the blue service is not available, let's make a call again to the gateway. And we can see that the result here is green pod, which means that the traffic got routed to the green service because the blue service is not available. All traffic is being routed to the green service. And that demonstrates how to set up easily the failover using Gloo Edge. That's the end of the tutorial. The next step to explore is to use Gloo Edge Federation, which help you easily set up failover across multiple clusters. For example, if you have a service blue and service green on different clusters, you want them to one service to fail over easily to the other service. Using Gloo Edge Federation through an easy installation, an easy setup will allow you to do this. Thank you for watching this video and check the other videos on solo.io.